Welcome back, dear friends. In this video we are going to discuss about this exercise using polar coordinate system. Okay, let's we start. Dear friends, you know very well about polar coordinate system, I hope, because last videos we are discussing about polar coordinate system. Now for this exercise we go to create the point 1 to 7 using polar coordinate system. Dear friends, you know very well in the polar coordinate system format we start for @ symbol and distance, then we use the less than symbol, then we enter the angle. The same method we directly enter to the AutoCAD. Same like this, here we go to create the distance and angle of the exercise. So the first point, this is our first point. I think you are able to see in the screen. This is our first point. Already I mentioned in 1. So this is the first point. The first point is already given 150, 60. So this one we are not using this method. We know very well the first point always we are using the absolute coordinate system. So here I directly enter the x and y axis value. So x is 150 and y is 60. Sorry, y is 6. So point number 2 onwards we enter the polar coordinate system method. So what is the second point? So first we want to find out the distance. What is the distance? This is our total distance. So already we know the distance is 60 because here 30, 30. So total distance is 60. So second point, the distance is 60. Then we want to find out the angle. Angle is given 45 degree. So here I mention 45 degree. Point number 3. So when you mark the point number 3, the second point is acting on the origin point. So this is our origin point. This means this is 90. This is 0 degree. This is 180 degree. So the second point, the distance, this is 20 is given. So the third point we give the distance is 20. What about the angle? So this is our angle. This angle is 45 degree. We know very well because this entire exercise is tilting on the 45 degree. So 90 plus we add the 45 degree. So it means our angle is 135 degree. Next we want to mark the point number 4. The point number 4 we want to mark means the point number 3 is the acting on a origin point. Okay, this is our origin point. So what is the distance? The distance is 30. What about the angle? Already we know this is our angle. The angle is 45 degree. So you directly we are not able to mark 45 degree. So we know very well this is 180 degree. So 180 plus this 45 degree, 225 degree. Same thing for the point number 5. This is our point number 5. So we want to mark point number 5. It means the point number 4 is acting on a origin point. So this is 180 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 45 degree. So what is the distance? Distance is same like 30. The angle is 45 degree. So 90 plus 45 or 180 minus 45. We have here two options. We use 180 minus 45 degree or 90 plus 45 degree. Both are same value. So the value is 135 degree. Next we want to mark the point number 6. So point number 6 we want to mark means the previous point number 5 is acting on a origin point. So the distance is 30. The angle is, this is 45 degree. 180 plus 45. So 180 plus 45 means we use 225 degree. Last one, we have the two option. Just you type C and enter this entire exercise. Where we go to start, automatically the last point also join in the starting point. Or we go to enter the value. What value we go to enter? Polar coordinate system. This is origin point now. So this is 45 degree. So 270 plus 45. So 270 plus 45. So the distance is 30 plus 20, the distance is 50. The angle value is 315. So this is our point for this exercise. So this point values we directly enter to the AutoCAD and then check how the drawing is appear in the AutoCAD. So now we go to open the AutoCAD and then enter this all values. Now I open AutoCAD 2022 software. Already I given the important commands like limits, zoom and units. Now we go to start our exercise. So now I go to press just L, enter. So AutoCAD asking us specify the first point. So first point already we have discussed 150, 60. This is not visible, just roll in your mouse. Okay. So this is my starting point. Then so this is polar coordinates method. So that's why I give @ symbol and then the distance. Distance is 60, then less than symbol, then angle is 45 degree. This is point number 2. Next, point number 3. Again @ 20 less than 135. Point number 4. @ 30 less than symbol 225. Next again @ distance is 30, the angle is 135. Again @ the distance is 30, then angle is 225. Now this is the last one. If we press enter or we give the angle, I give @ symbol and the distance is 50, then less than symbol, the angle is 315 and enter. So this is my exercise number 1. I hope you understand the polar coordinate system. Thank you for watching. We will meet you next video.